Hello and welcome to the Dean's List. I'm Dr. Barbara White. I'm an accounting professor here at UWF and also the VITA coordinator for our students. VITA stands for Voluntary Income Tax Assistance Program, and it's where we coordinate with the United Way of West Florida to prepare tax returns for low to moderate income individuals. With me today I have Ahava and Laora, two of my tax students. So if you don't mind, Ahava, I'm going to start off asking you. I know when we start getting students involved in this, it can be a little bit maybe scary, uncertain. Can you kind of tell me about maybe your experience and what you thought going in and how it has helped you or what you've gotten out of it?
Yeah, of course. At first, it was very intimidating to go to the volunteer sites because you're dealing with people's taxes and this is actual government information that you need to send in. But thankfully, when you go to the sites or when you interact with people, it's actually pretty chill. It's actually a lot less intimidating than I expected. And the curriculum that you have for us really prepared us to interact with these people and give us the base knowledge that we needed. And there's a lot of site coordinators there, and they're there to guide you every step of the way if you have any questions.
I think to add on what Ahava was saying, it's really great how you make the coursework of we're learning so much about taxation and so much information, but we also practically apply it to the clients that we're using. For example, like the earned income tax credit is something a lot of clients look forward to, and knowing dependencies and all these little nuances that you might think are overwhelming to memorize as a student initially, but then when you realize how much they're helping clients and how much they're actually helping people, it's neat to see how that actually applies. And so it's practically putting your knowledge to use. So that's really wonderful how you organize that class with that. So there was once when we were volunteering for Florida Blue, we were able to help a couple with their taxes and to actually give them a bigger return that they were hoping for, struggling with finances and whatnot. And just to kind of put our knowledge to use was really great to see that coming out in play. So that was wonderful.
We have our last VITA night here on campus on April 8th. It'll be from 4 to 7 p.m. You can sign up for an appointment, or we do take walk-ins that night. We'll have probably 50 or so student volunteers available. We do it in Building 76 on the second floor. There are people around to help guide you. So we hope to have people come in because, as you can see, this is definitely a win-win situation. Students are giving back to the community. They're helping out the community as these two wonderful students had. Well, we appreciate you taking the time to watch the Dean's List and hear about our VITA experience. And thank you again. Say bye.